Hi everybody, I want to thank you very much for joining me. We're in 4K wide, and I'm talking about a particular thing here, HDMI cable. This is HDMI from Kodak. Now I will see if I can get into HDMI 2, turn on my Kodak ZI-8, give it a couple of seconds to acknowledge, and I do apologize. There we go. I'm not sure what video this is, but let's play it. Looks like a Sport Cub a long time ago, or a Gopro thing. I could speed it up 2 times, 4 times, and all that good stuff right there. I'm doing power banks. The only thing I cannot do here is do a live view. Notice the thickness of the HDMI cable, noise suppressor on both ends, right over here by the TV. I want to get back to port 1. This is GoPro. If I take the app and I turn on Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi comes on. Very simple to see if I have the GoPro on there. I have to set it up. Takes a couple of seconds. Now I go into the GoPro app, and I press the GoPro Hero 4. It's asking me if I want to update my firmware, and I want to change my resolution from 4K to 1080p. Notice that it's all done on my phone and not on. Notice right over here, things start to change, and you can see all the different settings that the camera has. Very nice of the layout. So let's back out of this. Screen. So I do want to shut off my GoPro Wi-Fi because it drains the battery pretty fast. I could go into camera from video, burst mode, time lapse, playback mode, and you can see all the videos played back. This is 4K resolution, and I just hit the shutter button and the on and off button to get this thing to move. So I hit the shutter, and this is 4K. An HD 1080p cable, TV set, 4K. You would think somewhere on here there'd be some type of information telling you what you have recorded. That's going to be all the pictures, the trash, the playback, and all that good stuff. Not 100% sure what that is, to play all the videos at one time as a slideshow. So let me try to get out of this. I'll pause it, stop it, get into another video. I'm talking about the new 4GS gimbal. Beautiful picture, nice and crisp and clear. Definitely indeed. So I want to get out of this, and I keep hitting certain buttons, and I do apologize. I highlight it on top and I exit out of the 11 files. One of the questions was asked, can I record through the HDMI cable? Right up here, you're going to see the time recorded at 2 seconds. It started. There is sound. I have it nice and low so it doesn't echo to the camera, and the camcorder is in red, 1080 at 30 frames wide view, the record time, the amount that's on the card, and the battery life. I want to take a picture. I go into the picture. The 9 pictures, 8,878. Pro Tunes on, 12 meg wide, snapping a picture. If I do time lapse, I set it to 2 seconds. And here is the time lapse. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000. And you may see it come on, but you saw the no signal there, my time lapse. Every 2 seconds, you'll see it flash. Now you notice how right there it goes, and that's what you get with time lapse. So it finishes. There you have it. You may get the bars once in a while. This is the HDMI cable. It doesn't sell for $40 overpriced. It doesn't sell for $20. It sells for roughly about $5. Is that a bad price for the cable? Not at all. The GoPro Hero 4 Black TV playback on an HDMI TV set. To me, it's a priceless moment. I hope you enjoyed this video discussion. Any questions, comments, post it below at the forums. Thank you very much for viewing.